You tell when you are buying you be more careful though you can find dinner. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner.
Act Up season is approaching. What's good, KK gang? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, I'll be reviewing the BECKO waist trimmer, adjustable waist trimmer. You could be in your 40s, your 50s, your 20s, it doesn't matter. This is for all ages. Ready to cinch that waist and get snatched up? Then keep watching. This belt is called the BECKO adjustable waist trimmer. It comes in two colors, red and blue. It's a great waist trimmer belt. So far, I have no complaints. It's made of premium neoprene. It's wide enough to strengthen the tummy, abs, and protect the back. This belt is made for both men and women to use as a workout belt for weight loss. So no, it's not only for females. It's also for the males. Woohoo! The Velcro helps you enhance the strength and promotes exercise effects. So, this belt can be used to shed off excess water weight and protect lower back muscles. So, yes, I'm happy to get this belt because it helps a lot with lower back muscles. And trust me, it does make you sweat. Yes, it works. It works even better while exercising. Yes, it works really good. By the way, why should I be upset on the people on bicycle? Gosh. By the way, if you guys want me to do a workout routine on my channel, please comment down below and let me know. So if you guys are ready to get that cinched waist, that finer than wine hourglass shape, I'll leave the link down below for this belt. So go ahead, click on and purchase because it's good. Like if I'm telling you it's good, it's good. It helps me a lot. So if you guys made it to the end of my video, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe and hit that bell to get notification when I post videos. And stay tuned for my next upload. Bye!